I'm from South Sudan, and if you're from South Sudan, you know who Manute Bol is. Manute was not just seen as a basketball player, but also a hero.
Manute made a profound impact and really changed the way that people thought about the situation in Sudan. As he began to learn more about what was going on in this country, he decided that it was time to get involved.
Something had to be done, and these people are getting bombed every day. And the State Department know about it, but they're not saying anything.
His people were dying, and it seemed to have no end in sight.
There is a famine and war going on in Sudan, and Manute Bol stayed because he cared deeply about his people.
They're my people, and I feel for them. And I don't want to just live a good life and then forget what is behind you.
Every little thing Manute did has led us to have our own country now.